Wow. I'm still at Igbo Bu Igbo mega city here in Isiagu, in Awka South local government area of Anambra State. If you are looking for a buy and build estate, this is Igbo Bu Igbo. This estate is buy and build and in a strategic location. You can see we are at the express road. This estate is selling for 10.9 million, but right now at Igbo Bu Igbo mega estate we are doing a flash sale. That is why the company decided to bring it down for you guys, for you, my client, for you to come and secure a property here in Igbo Bu Igbo. So right now we are selling it for 8.4 million total package. You pay, you start your construction immediately. No additional charges in this estate. So once you make a deposit of 8.4 million naira, allocation will be given to you. No long grammar, no long trenching. And this estate is at the right place in Awka City, in Isiagu, Awka South, very close to CBN Estate here in Isiagu, very close to Police Academic Estate. And this estate is 465 square meter. This estate is at a good location. So if you want to purchase or you get a property in this estate, just give me a DM or you can send message to the person that sent the video to you. Have a lovely day. I still remain Adaxland. Thank you.